Remove the processing disposable from the packaging and place it on an appropriate workspace. Following aseptic technique, prep the red access site as shown, and slowly dispense 60 milliliters of bone marrow aspirate into the marrow chamber of the processing disposable through this red access site. The filled processing disposable or disposables are then placed into the Harvest Smart Prep centrifuge for processing the bone marrow aspirate into bone marrow concentrate. Ensure the white access site is aligned with the white dot on the rotor. Also ensure centrifuge balance by placing another filled PD or counterweight balance in the other trunnion. Close the lid and press the start button. Total processing time is approximately 14 minutes. The Harvest Smart Prep centrifuge system can process 30 or 60 milliliters of bone marrow aspirate within a 15-minute automatic cycle. The end result is a 4 or 10 milliliter BMAC product. The next steps involve the removal of the cell-free plasma, followed by the resuspension of the nucleated and platelet cells in a 10 milliliter volume of plasma. Resuspension volumes can be adjusted to accommodate the clinical use requirements. Typical concentrations result in a 4 to 6 times baseline nucleated cell count and a volume reduction of marrow from 60 milliliters to about 10 milliliters. You can see in this image that packed red blood cells remained in the blood chamber, and the buffy coat containing 70% of the nucleated cells has been transferred over into the stem cell chamber. When the centrifuge cycle is complete, remove the PD from the centrifuge and place it on an appropriate workspace. Again, following aseptic technique, prep the white access site. The plasma volume used for cell resuspension is based on user discretion. The syringe with blunt cannula and yellow spacers is used to withdraw excess plasma from the plasma chamber by drawing up plasma until bubbles are observed in the syringe. Using both spacers will leave approximately 10 milliliters in the plasma chamber, while removing one spacer will leave approximately 7 milliliters. Remove the syringe and re-prep the white access site. To resuspend the bone marrow cells into the remaining plasma, withdraw the remaining plasma into the 20 milliliter BMAC syringe with blunt cannula and no spacer, and gently inject back and forth into the plasma chamber. Repeat these steps 2 to 3 times until cells are visibly resuspended in the plasma, and withdraw total volume into the syringe. Observe the base of the plasma chamber to confirm that all cells have been withdrawn into the BMAC syringe. The BMAC is now ready for use.